Onion causes an irreversible process in the body.
Welcome back to the Longevity D-Process channel.
This comprehensive guide will delve into the multifaceted impacts of onions on various aspects of health such as heart and blood vessel health, atherosclerosis prevention, cholesterol management, blood pressure regulation, stroke risk reduction, bone and joint strength, immunity enhancement, digestive health, liver and biliary tract function, kidney support, diabetes management, blood glucose regulation, weight management, cancer prevention, and much more. Furthermore, we will discuss contraindications co-onion consumption, provide information on how to maximize its health benefits, and offer guidance on a safe daily allowance for adults and children. We'll address the intriguing question, do those who consume onions regularly enjoy a longer lifespan compared to those who avoid them? The answers might surprise you. This guide aims to provide you with insightful and practical knowledge on the health benefits of onions. So if you're looking to take control of your health and nutrition, don't forget to click like and let's dive in. In today's fast-paced world, most people adopt a healthy lifestyle and make informed choices about their diet. However, there are common pitfalls associated with consuming fruits and vegetables without fully understanding their potential benefits and drawbacks. One such example is the onion, which despite its numerous health benefits, may have adverse effects in certain situations on the whole. The advantages of onions far exceed the negatives, but there are specific health conditions that may necessitate caution or avoidance of onion consumption. Onions are nutrient-rich, containing essential vitamins and trace elements such as iron, sulfur, fluorine, calcium, and flavonoids, which play a key role in promoting health and wellness.
Oh, a quick favor. We'd greatly appreciate it if you can subscribe and like. This helps the YouTube algorithm recognize the value of our content and share it more widely.
The history of onions spans many cultures and epochs, reflecting their long-standing importance in trade and culinary traditions worldwide. For instance, in ancient Greece, onions were used for medicinal purposes, while Roman soldiers consumed them daily for their strength and courage. Ancient athletes depended on onions for energy during training and competitions. By understanding the rich history and diverse benefits of onions, you can make more informed decisions about how to incorporate them into your diet for optimal health outcomes. Let's explore these aspects further in the following sections. Onions were first introduced to North America by European explorers in the late 15th century during the Age of Exploration. Despite this early introduction, it wasn't until the 19th century that commercial cultivation of onions took off in earnest, making them a significant and valuable crop within the region. Onions quickly became an essential part of agricultural production, contributing not only to local cuisines, but also to the wider culinary landscape. Today, the medicinal uses of onions, which were once widespread, have diminished, yet onions continue to be a fundamental culinary staple in most households worldwide. Their distinctive flavor enhances a wide variety of dishes, bringing depth and complexity to cuisines across the globe. Beyond the kitchen, onions' versatile properties have kept them relevant in medical and beauty care applications. They are used in homemade remedies, skin treatments, and even hair care due to their beneficial components. In this section, we will thoroughly examine the multifaceted nature of onions, exploring both the positive aspects and potential drawbacks associated with their consumption. By shedding light on the health benefits and risks of onions, we aim to provide a comprehensive understanding of how this humble vegetable plays a role in various aspects of our lives. Alleviating flu, cold, and runny nose symptoms. Inhalation of finely chopped onions is a time-honored method for treating flu, cold, and runny nose. This natural remedy targets the upper respiratory tract, where cold viruses and bacteria reside. By inhaling the vapors from freshly chopped onions for at least 20 minutes, repeating the process multiple times a day, you can potentially ward off cold and flu symptoms or mitigate them during their onset. This approach can be particularly effective as a preventive measure during peak cold and flu seasons, helping to keep you healthier overall. Number 2. Onions and women's health. Onions bring a multitude of benefits for women's health due to their rich array of essential nutrients, particularly the B vitamins, most notably folic acid. These nutrients play a key role in supporting and maintaining hormonal balance within the female body, aiding in various physiological processes. Regular consumption of onions can have a preventive impact against breast cancer, support a healthy metabolism, and promote optimal gastrointestinal function. Additionally, onions may help alleviate menstrual discomfort and enhance libido, contributing to the overall health of the reproductive system. Onions also boast a significant vitamin C content, which is instrumental in skin rejuvenation and the restoration of hair and nails. This occurs as the vegetable stimulates collagen production within the body, fostering a youthful appearance and boosting overall well-being. By incorporating onions into their diet, women can harness these diverse benefits to support their health and vitality in various aspects. Number 3. Onions and men's health. Onions offer numerous benefits for men's health. They can positively influence male reproductive function, potentially aiding in addressing infertility or low sperm motility. While not a cure on their own, incorporating onions into a treatment plan may benefit men facing these issues. Additionally, onions can assist in managing prostate adenoma, a common condition in men over 40. Daily consumption may help the body eliminate harmful substances and strengthen and blood vessels, supporting overall prostate health. Consuming onions before bedtime may alleviate frequent or painful urination, and consistent intake over a month may address prostate concerns, promoting overall well-being. Onions are versatile and can easily be added to various dishes, supporting a balanced and nutritious diet. For men, integrating onions into one's lifestyle can lead to a more vibrant and fulfilling life.
Onions!
Number 4. Onions have gained a reputation for their protective properties against the onset of various cancers, particularly those affecting the gastrointestinal tract, such as stomach and colon cancer. Research studies conducted in the United States indicate that regularly incorporating onions into one's daily diet can lead to a 20% reduction in the risk of developing stomach cancer and a 15% decrease in the risk of colon cancer. This cancer preventive effect is largely attributed to the abundance of trace elements and antioxidants present in onions, which works synergistically to provide an additional layer of defense against the formation and progression of malignant tumors. By integrating onions into your regular meals, you may enjoy the potential to decrease your susceptibility to certain types of cancer. Number 5. Treating fungal nail infections. Fungal infections of the nails can be both stubborn and challenging to treat, but onion husk decoction baths offer an effective and natural remedy. By soaking your nails in a strong infusion of onion husks for at least 30 minutes each day, you can leverage the antifungal properties of onion husks to tackle the infection and support healthier nails over time. This method, which has been used for its healing benefits, helps to inhibit the growth of fungi and promotes the restoration of clear, strong nails. Number 6. Supporting vascular health and alleviating leg spasms. A decoction made from onion husks is known to provide relief from leg spasms and improve blood vessel issues in the head. To create the decoction, begin by pouring boiling water over 1 teaspoon of finely chopped onion husks. Allow the mixture to steep for approximately 10-15 minutes, then strain the liquid and consume. It before bedtime. This calming remedy can help to ease discomfort, relax the muscles, then support overall vascular health, thereby contributing to a sense of balance and well-being. Number 7. Managing kidney diseases. Onion decoction is a traditional remedy that can assist in managing kidney diseases such as pyelonephritis, cystitis, and urethritis. To create the decoction, combine boiling water with 3 teaspoons of onion husks, around 400 milliliters, and simmer for 1 minute. Let the mixture steep for half an hour before straining. Consume 15 milliliters 3 to 4 times daily. 2. Help relieve kidney-related symptoms and support overall urinary tract health. Number 8. Natural sore throat remedy. Combining equal parts onion juice and honey creates a soothing natural remedy for colds and sore throats. Consuming around 5 milliliters of this mixture up to 4 times a day can calm an irritated throat, alleviate inflammation, and provide antimicrobial effects. This traditional approach helps these discomfort and supports the healing process, allowing you to recover more quickly from respiratory ailments.
Onions.
Number 9. Onions and bone health. Onions provide remarkable benefits for maintaining and enhancing bone health. Studies conducted by Chinese researchers have demonstrated that daily consumption of approximately 100 milliliters of onion juice can significantly elevate bone mineral density. This improvement is particularly pronounced in women over the age of 50, who are at a higher risk of osteoporosis due to hormonal changes associated with postmenopause. In a similar vein, American research has shown that even a small daily intake of onions can lead to a roughly 5% increase in bone mineral density, which aids in preventing the onset of osteoporosis. This boost in bone health also helps to mitigate the risk of pathological fractures in the long term. Moreover, onions have been found to reduce the risk of femoral neck fractures by about 20%, even when consumed sporadically. The vegetable's distinct properties contribute to bolstering bone strength and resilience, thereby helping to avert the development of various bone-related conditions such as pathologic fractures. Number 10. The potential impact of onions on blood glucose levels is a notable advantage of including this versatile vegetable in one's diet. Eating approximately 100 grams of onions daily has been shown to reliably lower blood glucose levels by 1 to 2 moles per liter for a duration of up to 4 hours. This natural sugar-lowering effect renders onions a valuable asset in preventing and managing diabetes. The vegetable's ability to reduce blood sugar and fat deposits is largely attributed to its substantial content of quercetin and sulfur compounds. Given that obesity poses a significant risk factor for the development of type 2 diabetes, incorporating onions as a hypoglycemic agent extends beyond controlling blood sugar. It also contributes to holistic health and overall wellness. By including onions in your diet, you can potentially achieve not only improved blood sugar management, but also an array of other health benefits. Number 11. For centuries, onions have been utilized as a natural remedy for alleviating coughs, particularly in cases of bronchitis, and modern scientific research has lent support to their therapeutic properties. Baked onions, in particular, have demonstrated positive effects even in individuals with inflammatory stomach condition. To prepare a baked onion remedy, chop onions and place them inside a wine bottle, sealing the opening with a core. Cover the top with dough and bake the bottle in the oven until a golden crust forms on the dough. After allowing the mixture to cool, remove the dough, extract the prepared mixture, and consume 2 tablespoons 4 times daily after meals. This age-old remedy can offer relief from persistent coughing and other respiratory issues, providing a natural and soothing approach to treatment. Number 12. Promoting heart and vascular health. Onions play a pivotal role in supporting heart and vascular health, thanks to their abundance of antioxidants. These natural compounds help combat inflammation in the blood vessels and intestinal walls, which is crucial in the prevention of atherosclerosis. Onions also contribute to lowering levels of bad cholesterol and managing blood pressure effectively. Recent research has indicated that the daily intake of 45 grams of onions can lead to significant reductions in bad cholesterol and triglycerides, which in turn inhibits inflammation in the vascular system. This protective impact can decrease the risk of thrombosis and enhance overall heart health. The regular consumption of onions can contribute to preventing major cardiovascular events such as strokes, heart attacks, and pulmonary embolisms. A German study demonstrated that daily consumption of onions could naturally lower blood pressure by roughly 7%. While onions offer a preventive approach to managing arterial hypertension, it is essential not to view them as a substitute for prescribed medication. It is vital to adhere to your healthcare provider's treatment plan and incorporate onions as a supplementary means to bolster heart and vascular health. By doing so, you can take full advantage of the benefits onions provide in supporting your cardiovascular well-being and overall health. While onions bring a plethora of health benefits to the table, There are certain potential adverse effects and contraindications to keep in mind. Here are some aspects to consider. 1. Bad breath. One of the most well-known drawbacks of consuming onions is the lingering odor it leaves on the breath. This can be particularly problematic in social settings, as it can lead to embarrassment or discomfort when interacting with others. Fortunately, this issue can be somewhat mitigated by eating parsley leaves, chewing on mint, or munching on walnuts after consuming onions. 2. Digestive tract issues. While onions can contribute positively to digestion, excessive intake or consumption by individuals with existing digestive conditions, such as chronic gastritis or pancreatitis, can lead to digestive discomfort. Symptoms may include bloating, gas, or stomach pain. For those with peptic ulcer disease or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, onions can exacerbate their condition, causing further irritation and discomfort. 3. Cardiovascular risks. Although onions have been found to support heart and vascular health in many cases, they can also pose risks to individuals with specific cardiovascular conditions such as chronic heart failure or coronary heart disease. Onions have been known to potentially trigger arrhythmias in some people with these conditions. Therefore, individuals with pre-existing heart issues should approach onion consumption with caution and consult their healthcare provider for personalized advice before making any significant dietary changes. 4. Pregnancy. Pregnant women should consume onions in moderation, as they contain folic acid, vitamin B9, an essential nutrient for proper fetal development, particularly in the formation of the neural tube. However, too much onion consumption can lead to gastrointestinal issues, including bloating or discomfort. Pregnant women are generally advised to limit their daily onion intake to about half a bulb per day to avoid potential negative effects. While onions can offer a wealth of health benefits, they should be consumed with care, particularly by individuals with pre-existing health conditions such as digestive issues, heart disease, or during pregnancy. Consulting with a healthcare provider for personalized advice and moderation in onion intake can help avoid any potential complications and ensure that the benefits of onions can be enjoyed without unnecessary risks.
Onions.
Recommended onion intakes by age group. 4. Children aged 1 to 3 years. The daily recommended intake of onions is relatively small, ranging from about 10 to 15 grams. This quantity is roughly equivalent to consuming 1/4 to half of a standard size bulb of onion. At this stage, children have smaller appetites and dietary needs, so their onion consumption should be carefully managed to align with their overall dietary intake. For children age 4 to 8 years, the daily advised consumption of onions increases slightly to about 22-30 grams. This amount translates to around half to 1 bulb of onion per day. At this age, children may have a greater variety of foods introduced into their diet, so onions can be incorporated into various dishes to provide flavor and nutritional benefits. For children age 9-13 years, the recommended daily intake of onions continues to rise to approximately 30 to 45 grams. This is roughly the equivalent of 1 bulb of onion per day. As children grow, their nutritional requirements increase, making it essential to balance their intake of different foods, including onions, to promote healthy growth and development. Teenagers over the age of 13 and adults should aim for a daily onion intake of around 50 grams. This amount is roughly equivalent to consuming 1 bulb of onion per day, though individual needs may vary based on personal health goals and dietary preferences. At this stage, onions can be an important part of a balanced diet, contributing essential nutrients and antioxidants to support overall health and well-being. These recommendations for onion consumption can vary depending on individual health status, specific dietary requirements, and personal preferences. It's essential to integrate onions as part of a well-rounded, varied diet to maintain overall health and wellness. Moderation is also crucial. Overindulgence in onions may lead to digestive discomfort or other unintended effects.
Onions.
Onions!
Here are some effective strategies to maximize the health benefits derived from eating onions. Consuming onions raw ensures that you retain the highest level of nutrients, as some vitamins and beneficial phytochemicals may diminish during cooking. You can incorporate raw onions into salads, sandwiches, or as a flavorful garnish for a variety of prepared dishes. When shopping for onions, pick bulbs that are firm and free from damage. Fresh onions are packed with nutrients and flavor. Proper storage in a cool, dry environment, such as a refrigerator, basement, or cellar, helps maintain their freshness and juiciness. A regular intake of onions offers numerous health advantages. Excessive consumption can lead to gastrointestinal upset. Balance your onion intake with other food groups for a diverse and satisfying diet. Mixing onions with other vegetables, leafy greens, legumes, greens, and protein sources can enhance the overall nutritional value of your meals and contribute to a balanced diet. Some people may experience digestive discomfort, such as heartburn or bloating when consuming onions. If you encounter such symptoms, consult a healthcare professional or dietitian for tailored advice. By considering these tips and adhering to moderation, you can enjoy the numerous health benefits of onions while minimizing any potential adverse effects. As for whether eating onions affects longevity, the impact is not entirely clear. However, including onions as part of a varied and balanced diet may contribute to maintaining a healthy lifestyle and overall well-being. Thank you for watching. Wishing you excellent health, wealth, and happiness with the key to vitality in your hands.